Hi, today I'm going to show you again another chicken recipe which I'm going to marinate with different varieties of ingredients. But before I proceed, I would like to request you to please watch my video till the end so that you will not miss out any of the ingredients that I'll be using in every step. So let's start with the process. So in this bowl I have taken around 2 kgs of chicken pieces which I have already washed from before. So now let's start the marination. Here I add around 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I add around 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Chili powder you can add according to your taste. So 1 teaspoon. Then I'm going to add around 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can even use garlic paste also, but since I have garlic powder, so I'm using that here. Then 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. As I've told you, you can use the paste of garlic and ginger. So here I add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. We have to mix all the ingredients with the chicken pieces very thoroughly, because this we are going to keep for the marination for around 2 to 3 hours, or if you don't have time you can keep it for 1 hour also, but the best will be if you keep it overnight. So since we don't have time, we are going to keep it for around an hour. After that I'm going to tell you what to do next. So I'm done with the mixing. I'm going to cover it and keep it inside the fridge for an hour. As I've told you, if you have time, best is to keep it overnight. Here it is, the marinated chicken which I kept in the fridge for an hour. So now we are going to proceed to our next steps. So before that, let me tell you what are the next ingredients I'll be using. Let me add around another 3 tablespoons of semolina here. We have already taken 7 tablespoons, isn't it? So I'm going to add another 3 tablespoons of semolina. So altogether it will. Now what am I going to do with this semolina mixture is that I'm going to cut the chicken pieces which we have kept it for marination, isn't it, to become hot. After that we'll start frying the chicken pieces. The oil has become hot, so into this I'm going to put the chicken pieces one by one like this. After frying for say 15 to 20 minutes, I'm going to reverse the sides and fry on both the sides till they are nicely cooked from inside. Now let's reverse the sides. It looks so beautiful, isn't it? So I'm going to reverse all the sides and fry them again for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are nicely cooked from inside. So you can see that the chicken pieces are nicely fried from both the sides. You can see they're nicely golden brown. So I'm going to take them out on a plate and start frying the other pieces also. Here I put the other pieces. Now it's done. I've put around 7 pieces. So we'll fry them for another 15 to 20 minutes or till they are nicely fried on one side. After that, I'm going to reverse the sides and fry till they are nicely cooked from inside. So here it is, our crispy semolina chicken fry. How do they look? So mouth-watering and tempting, isn't it? And you know it's very crispy and very tasty. I'm sure you'll try to make this recipe. So if you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and please do comment also. And yes, please don't forget to press the bell icon so that whatever new videos I upload, you will get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching.